is Mongka Felicia Prilfaira. My student number is 6325022.
My name is Farah Zahra. My number student is 63250450.
Today we are going to present our project. We will be doing a podcast discussing two main topics, hardware and software. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Farah.
And I'm Mongka. We are students from University Dinasarana Informatika.
Today we are going to talk about the very important topics for our projects, hardware and software.
Yes, let's start with the first topic, which is hardware and inside the computer. Farah, do you know what hardware is?
Well, as far as I know, hardware is physical part of a computer. It's everything that we can see and touch. What's our hands? I right, Mocha?
Yes, exactly. You're 100% right. Hardware is the body of the computer. If we don't have hardware, the computer doesn't exist. It is divided into several parts, like input devices and output devices.
Input device. I often use them every day, but sometimes I forgot the definition. Can you explain it simply, Malcolm?
Sure, input devices are the tools that we use to enter data or give commands to the computer. For example, when you type a college assignments, you use a keyboard. The keyboard sends a letter into the system.
Oh, I see. And Malcolm, what about the mouse?
The mouse is also an input device. We use it to click icons, open files, and navigate on the screen. So, keyboard and mouse are the most common examples. Without them, we cannot talk to our computer.
That makes sense. Now, let's move inside the computer case. What do we have in there?
Inside the case, that's where the real power is. First, we have CPU or Central Processing Unit. People say it is the brain of the computer. It processes like every single computation and instructions.
Wow, the brain. And we also have RAM, right? What is that for?
Yes, the RAM stores temporary data. It helps the computer run smoothly when we open many applications at the same time. If your computer is laggy, maybe your RAM is too small.
True. My laptop sometimes gets laggy too. Okay. What about output device?
Output devices are an opposite of input. They show us a final result to us. For example, the monitor shows the display or image, and the printer prints your digital files into a paper. All this part must work perfectly.
Wow, great! That is the end of our first topics, hardware.
Now, let's jump into the second topic, software and operating system. Farah, since I explained hardware, now it's your turn. What is software?
Okay, if hardware is the body, software is like the soul or the mind of the computer. Software is a collection of data of instruction that tells the hardware what to do.
Wow, that's a very good analogy. So, hardware cannot walk or work without software, right?
Exactly, Mauke. Hardware without software is just a useless piece of metal. We need software to operate it.
I see. And I know that the most important software is the operating system or OS. Can you tell me more about it?
Yes, the operation system is the main software that manages all hardware and other devices on the computers. For example, on laptops, most people use Microsoft Windows or Mac OS, and on smartphone we use Android or iOS.
Android and Windows. I use them every day. So, when I open Instagram or TikTok on my phone, the operating system is the one making sure the app runs smoothly with the phone's hardware.
Yes, Rachel is as like a manager in a company.
That's amazing. Are there any other types of software?
Yes, there is application software like Microsoft Word for typing, Google Chrome for browsing, or Mobile Legends for gaming.
Oh, I love gaming. But wait, is there any dangerous software?
Availability? Yes, it's called malware or malicious software. Example are computer virus and trojans. They can steal your data or damage your computer system. So we must be careful and use an antivirus.
Wow, thank you for the warning, Farah. So the conclusion is that hardware and software must always go together to make a computer work.
Yes, they are a perfect team. Well, I think that's for our 10 minute podcast today.
Thank you so much for watching and listening, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.
you.